Right, back to the Seagulls Mazda 323 channel. Seagulls just deserted me here to leave me to do this fuel pump. Reckons it's pretty easy, so I'll give it a crack. He's disappeared because he could hear a friggin' VTEC sooking somewhere in the distance, so he's off to go chomp the shit out of it. But anyway, this is what he's left me to do, so I'll crack on.
Right, and I'll show you all the fun stuff.
Well, considering we've already been in here today, it was probably just as easy to keep going with these jobs, so I've taken the battery and the battery tray out, which has given me a little bit more access into the fuel filter. I'm going to clamp those two hoses and then wind back these, pull out the old one, put in the new one, put the hoses back on, bada bing bada boom, El Gabbiano will be happy. Alright, so this is the replacement part what we'll be using. Here's the part number, that's where I got it from. Very helpful crew down there. Obviously I'm not sponsored, but I will share the knowledge and the tips.
Thanks for waiting. One of our advisors will be with you as soon as possible.
Taught himself to pass on to you kids. So that's what we're using. There's the old one. Yeah, probably definitely due a replacement. The new one in, all good. And it's very handy if you have some of them to clamp off your hoses. Make the job a whole heap easier. Well, fuel filtered down. Thanks for watching.